Hello, beautiful people up there. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. This is me, Raihan Chaudhary. Today, hope you people are doing great. Okay, today I'm gonna talk about my daily routine. Basically, I wake up 6 in the morning, then I freshen up, and then I get ready and I take a cup of tea, and then I go to an institute and take a class, and then I return home and I take my breakfast with my family, and then I take my shower and I set out for my university. At 1 p.m., I return home and I say my Johar Salah, and then I take my lunch with my family, and then I take a short nap. At 3 half, I provided tuition and I say my Asr Salah at my tuition, and then I go to gym and work out for an hour, and I return home at 6 p.m. and I take a light snacks and I spend quality times with my family, and then I study 1 to 3 hours, and then I take my supper with my family, and then I browse internet, I work on my computer, and I chit chat with my family, etc. Then I go to bed. Okay, thank you very much.